Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to understand a very inspiring prose titled Vikram Batra PVC, written by Ian Cardozo. This lesson is not just a story, it is a real-life account of courage, sacrifice, and patriotism. In this video, we will cover about the author, the life story of Captain Vikram Batra, important events of the Kargil War, his bravery and leadership, themes and message of the lesson. So let's begin. About the author Ian Cardozo. Ian Cardozo is a retired Indian Army officer and a well-known writer. He is famous for writing about Indian soldiers' war stories, real-life bravery. He himself served in wars and even lost a leg in battle, but continued serving the nation. His works focus on courage, sacrifice, leadership, patriotism. This lesson is taken from his book about brave soldiers. Introduction of the prose. This prose tells the story of Captain Vikram Batra, one of India's most fearless soldiers. He was awarded the Param Veer Chakra, PVC, which is India's highest gallantry award. The story mainly focuses on his early life, his personality, his role in the Kargil War, 1999, and his ultimate sacrifice for the nation. Early life of Vikram Batra. Vikram Batra was born in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. He was brave from childhood, energetic, fearless, patriotic. He grew up hearing stories of freedom fighters, brave soldiers. These stories deeply influenced him. Even as a child, he showed leadership qualities, courage, strong determination, education, and personality. During his school and college life, he was active in sports, he was disciplined, he was admired by everyone. He joined the NCC, National Cadet Corps, which helped him develop military skills. He always wanted to serve the nation. Joining the Indian Army, Vikram Batra joined the Indian Military Academy, IMA. He was commissioned as an officer in 13 Jack Rifles, Jammu or Kashmir Rifles. From the beginning, he showed strong leadership, dedication, confidence. Background: Kargil War, 1999. The Kargil War happened between India and Pakistan. Pakistani soldiers had occupied important mountain positions in India. These positions were very high, difficult to reach, dangerous. Indian Army had to recapture them. Vikram Batra in Kargil War. Vikram Batra played a major role in the war. He was given the task to capture Point 5140. This was a very important and dangerous peak. Capture of Point 5140. The attack was very difficult because steep mountains, enemy firing, night operation. But Vikram Batra showed extraordinary bravery. He led his team from the front. He attacked the enemy fearlessly. He killed enemy soldiers, captured the peak successfully. After victory, he gave the famous signal, Ye Dil Mange Mo. This became a symbol of victory and confidence. Leadership qualities. Vikram Batra was not just brave, he was also a great leader, motivating, fearless. He always led from the front, encouraged his soldiers, never thought about his own safety. Summary: Vikram Batra PVC. Vikram Batra PVC is an inspiring prose written by Ian Cardozo that tells the story of Captain Vikram Batra, one of the bravest soldiers of India. He was awarded the Param Veer Chakra, the highest gallantry award, for his extraordinary courage during the Kargil War in 1999. Vikram Batra was born in Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. From a young age, he was brave, energetic, and patriotic. He was influenced by stories of freedom fighters and always wanted to serve the nation. He later joined the Indian Army and became an officer in the 13 Jack Rifles. During the Kargil War, Pakistani soldiers had occupied important mountain peaks. Vikram Batra was given the mission to capture Point 5140, a very difficult and dangerous position. Showing great courage and leadership, he led his team from the front, fought bravely, and successfully captured the peak. After this victory, he gave his famous signal, Ye Dil Mange Mo. After this success, he was assigned another mission to capture Point 4875, which was even more challenging. During the battle, one of his fellow soldiers was injured. Vikram Batra risked his own life to save him, showing his selflessness and bravery. Unfortunately, he was shot during this mission and was martyred. For his supreme sacrifice and courage, he was awarded the Param Veer Chakra posthumously. His life is a symbol of patriotism, bravery, leadership, and sacrifice. The story teaches us the importance of loving our country and being courageous in difficult situations. Short summary. Captain Vikram Batra was a brave Indian soldier who played a key role in the Kargil War. He successfully captured Point 5140 and later fought at Point 4875. He showed great courage, leadership, and patriotism. While saving a fellow soldier, he sacrificed his life. He was awarded the Param Veer Chakra for his bravery. His life is an inspiration for all. Conclusion. In conclusion, Vikram Batra is not just a soldier, he is an inspiration. His life shows us what true bravery looks like, what real patriotism means. Even today, his story motivates millions of people. His famous words, "Ye dil mange more," will always remind us of his courage.